everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can easily get a caption from YouTube video. So without wasting too much of our time, let's proceed. The first thing is to go to where we can get the link video. So I'm making use of this particular video now. Let me just copy the video URL, then come to this website. So I'm going to paste in, click on extract. So within some seconds, you can see, so I can easily copy everything, then go to my notepad and then paste it up. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.